As perhaps anyway, I do not want to fight with Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, you have to respect about the US election in 2024. You have to move on. Forget about that Kamala Harris you're talking about. Move on. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, once that you harass the Trump supporters or Duterte supporters, the supporters of Donald Trump or supporters of Rodrigo Duterte, give them respect. Let them be, you know. For my YouTube blog, I say to Paulo Cruzada, they have their own opinion. Just like I said, if I say in Filipino, kahit gusto ni pag may tao gusto nila kay Trump or pag may tao gusto nila kay Duterte, that's why you need to respect their opinion. Oh, you know, for me, Paulo Cruzada, I do not want to pick up a fight with you. It's just the US election. You have to move on. Enough about politics. After I move on with Arnel Guerrera Castillo, Gina Sejo, G. Macasandil, Jeffrey Asedio, Angelo Bonsa, Buddy Castro, and Teacher May Tiburcio, that those are my arch enemies are, and I move on from them. Oh, you Paulo Cruzada, you never learn how to move on. What will be happen to you? Oh, if Joseph Maspinas hire another gang anyway in Quezon City, in Marikina, oh, his name is Sir Calvin Cuevas. He will go to Las Piñas in your house, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you have to move on, dude. Past is past. If you don't move on, Paulo Cruzada, Joseph Maspinas will hire another gang anyway. Oh, he has Calvin Cuevas. So Calvin Cuevas was there. He will move at you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, people they love Rodrigo Duterte. People they love Donald Trump. Sir Calvin Cuevas is a Duterte supporter. Oh, even Teacher Gio Malana was a Trump supporter. They have their own opinion. Oh, if I'm saying to you, if you listen to Joannes Angelo Mulalan Impact or Shania Kiana in the press con when we talk each other in Zoom meeting, or via Zoom meeting, or you have to stop what you're doing, Paulo Cruzada. What are you, Paulo Cruzada? Are you nuts? Are you stupid? Are you think you are an asshole, Paulo Cruzada? Paulo Cruzada, I say to you, forget about the US election. You have to move on. Oh, look at Patrick Eason. Oh, and Adam Juari. Oh, they learned how to move on. They support Kamala Harris during US election. Oh, they learn how to move on. And you, Paulo Cruzada, move on. Oh, stop this nonsense. Oh, hey, you are a Marcos loyalist, Paulo Cruzada. You are a supporter of Bongbong Marcos, and then you're trying to harass the Duterte supporters, even Sara, even Rodrigo Duterte and Sara Duterte. Enough about the political crisis in the Philippines, Paulo Cruzada. And also that Donald Trump and Kamala Harris, we have to move on. Oh, You know, Paulo Cruzada, Kamala Harris had been lost in U.S. election. She has lack of support from the Democrats in the U.S. Oh, because Ma'am Teacher Kel Riaco, Kamala Harris had been lost in the U.S. election. Oh, I am already move on. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, move on. Don't act yourself stupid. Oh, what if you tried that to harass Uncle Eugene,'s two friends of Nanay Ningning's friends, who were German Americans, Wolfgang and Helmut, Helmut Kallenborn and Wolfgang Lidner, if they are Trump supporters, respect their opinion. And you, Paulo Cruzada, check your brain. You are a retard idiot. Even Teacher Riza, you harass her. What kind of person are you, Paulo Cruzada?